Yo, what is up, everybody? So, as you see here, I got this Kaido BMW M3 711. Got this from Diecast Z on whatnot. Yeah, and also right there, only released in the US. And a lot of stuff on the box here too. And then this back side of this box, I almost use that like little backdrop. So let's open this up. Alrighty. I think I got enough of it now. Get that out the way. Alrighty, plastics off. Oh wait, how if I took the Snickers off there, huh? Totally forgot about that. Alright. There we go. Oh yeah, check out the little holographic sticker there. Official BMW product. We even have more stuff on this part of the box too. Alright, here we go. This little piece of plastic in there. Oh yes, looks very nice. Alright. There. Nice look at the inside right there. The underside. Oh yeah. There we go. There's the back. The underneath the wing there. Or spoiler. Got a roll cage. Passenger side. Just a two-seater, nothing in the back, looks like. Nothing in the back. Alright, so up front. Here we go. And I do see how this hood opens on this one. I think, yeah, this way. Okay. It's opening the hood. There you go. Look under the hood there. The other side. Set it down. And these do roll very nicely. FYI. Yeah, see, look at that. Like a little. See if I can zoom in on that. Look. Yeah, see, look at that. Let's make it on like a little miniature diorama. Huh. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on another one. Bye.